Ma'am, you're charged with driving while intoxicated. First offense. It's elevated to a Class A misdemeanor because of the high blow. So you were facing up to a year in jail and/or a $4,000 fine. You guys have worked out an agreement where they're offering you 1 year in Harris County Jail. That will be probated for 15 months. As part of the probation, you will do a DWI education class, 1 victim impact panel, substance abuse treatment as recommended by the TRAS. You must also do a TRAS, which is an evaluation to see what other conditions you may need. You must fulfill those conditions as ordered. No breath test refusal. If you are pulled over in a car and an officer asks you to take a breath test, you must submit to one. No drugs, no alcohol, a guardian interlock, 30 hours of community service, and a $100 donation to the Houston Food Bank, and 30 AAs. Is this how you understand the agreement?
¿Entiende el acuerdo, señora?
Sí.
Yes.
Understand, Ms. Rosas, this charge will go on your record. And I'm telling you now, an officer, when they pull you over, if they smell alcohol on you, they're not going to let you go. They will charge you with a second offense. So if I were you, I would never get in a car, even if you've had 1 glass of wine, half of a beer. The smell alone will be enough for them to arrest you and take you and charge you with a second offense. And I'm telling you, we're difficult on people with second offenses. So if you want to drink, $15 on an Uber will take you anywhere you need to go. How much money have you paid them? How much money is this going to cost you now? $15. You understand? We're giving up the right to a trial, right to compel witnesses to testify on your behalf, confront and cross-examine your accusers. If you are not a citizen, there are possible immigration consequences. You can be deported, excluded from the country, denied naturalization under federal law. You give up the right to appeal. So once you accept this agreement, you can never change this or undo this or challenge this. It will go on your record forever. You understand? Ma'am, you are disrupting court proceedings over and over and over. I'm not going to ask you again. How do you plead to the offense of driving while intoxicated? I will find you guilty, sentence you to the agreement. What do you do for a living, man?
Limpieza.
Clean.
Soy madre soltera, tengo 3 hijas. Me dedico a limpieza de casa o limpieza de construcción, o que haya.
What was that, Your Honor?
How old are your children?
¿Qué edad tienen sus hijos?
Ok, una tiene 17 años, va a cumplir 18, la otra 17, 10 y 6.
17, 10, and 6.
Imagine what's going to happen to your children if you go to jail, or if we have to put you into a long treatment program. The thing I'm asking you to do is consider what would happen to your children before you make any moves that could land you in jail. I will take all your money off so you won't owe anything as far as fees are concerned. It's not about the money. It's about you just completing the programs. That's all we want. If you ever have a problem, come back to us and talk to us. Don't just take off. Don't consume alcohol. And if you don't have a license, do not drive. That's all we're asking.
Sí, muchas gracias, señora.
Yes, thank you very much.
Gracias, señora.
Interlock. She does not have a license. Can we get it for? Sure. Thank you. Thank you. See you, sir.
Gracias, señora.